Welcome to our step-by-step guide on starting a successful shoemaking business in Africa. Shoes are a staple in everyone's wardrobe, and the demand for high-quality, locally made footwear is on the rise. In this video, we'll cover everything from essential machines to effective marketing strategies to help you build a thriving shoemaking business. The footwear industry in Africa is booming, with more people seeking unique, durable, and stylish options. Whether it's casual wear, formal shoes, or traditional designs, the market is full of opportunities for creative entrepreneurs like you. Before you start, it's crucial to understand the shoe market. Conduct market research to identify your target audience, study their preferences, and analyze the competition. This will help you determine the viability of your business and guide your decisions on product offerings. The shoe-lasting machine is one of the most important tools in a shoemaking business. It shapes the shoe to the last, ensuring that the upper part fits perfectly over the sole. Investing in a quality lasting machine will ensure precision and speed in your production process. Sewing machines are essential for stitching the upper parts of shoes. Depending on your production scale, you can choose from manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic machines. Industrial sewing machines designed specifically for shoemaking can handle thicker materials like leather and synthetic fabrics. Cutting machines are used to cut leather and other materials into the required shapes, while skiving machines thin the edges of the material for easier stitching. These machines are crucial for ensuring that each piece of the shoe fits together seamlessly. The sole pressing machine attaches the sole to the shoe's upper, creating a strong and durable bond. This machine is essential for ensuring the longevity of your shoes, as it provides a firm attachment that can withstand regular wear and tear. Finishing equipment gives your shoes a polished, professional look. Edge trimmers, polishers, and embossing machines can add that final touch of quality, helping your shoes stand out in the market. The shoemaking industry offers a variety of niches. Will you focus on casual sneakers, formal footwear, traditional designs, or something else? Choosing the right niche is essential to stand out in a competitive market and attract loyal customers. Quality control is key to building a reputable brand. Invest in tools that help you check the fit, finish, and durability of your shoes before they reach the customer. Consistent quality will help you build a loyal customer base. The location of your workshop can influence the success of your business. Consider factors like proximity to suppliers, ease of access for employees, and space for machinery. Whether you choose an urban setting or an industrial zone, ensure your location meets your production needs. An efficient workshop layout can boost productivity. Arrange your machines and workstations in a way that minimizes movement and maximizes efficiency. Ergonomics is also important to ensure that your workers can operate comfortably and safely. Different types of leather, fabrics, soles, and other materials needed for shoemaking. Voiceover. The quality of your raw materials directly affects the quality of your shoes. Source high-quality leather, fabrics, and soles from reputable suppliers. Establishing strong relationships with suppliers can help you get the best materials at competitive prices. Efficient inventory management is crucial for maintaining smooth operations. Set up a system for tracking raw materials and finished products to avoid stockouts and overproduction. Proper storage conditions will help preserve the quality of your materials. Design is where creativity meets functionality. Start by sketching your ideas. Then create prototypes to test fit, comfort, and style. Experiment with different materials, colors, and patterns to create a collection that reflects your brand's identity. Digital design tools can streamline the design process. Software like Adobe Illustrator or specialized shoe design programs allow you to create detailed 3D models of your designs, making it easier to visualize and refine your ideas before production. Customization is a growing trend in the footwear industry. Offering personalized options like custom colors, engravings, or unique material combinations can set your brand apart and attract a niche market. Starting a shoemaking business requires adhering to local regulations. Obtain the necessary business licenses, trademarks, and permits to operate legally. Protecting your designs with trademarks or patents can prevent others from copying your work. Your team is a vital part of your business's success. Hire skilled craftsmen and provide them with training in your specific production techniques. A well-trained team will ensure consistency in quality and efficiency in production. Efficient workflow management is key to meeting production deadlines and maintaining quality. Implement daily routines for cutting, stitching, lasting, and finishing, and ensure that each step flows smoothly into the next. Your pricing strategy should reflect the quality of your shoes while remaining competitive. Consider factors like material costs, labor, overhead, and desired profit margins when setting prices. Offering a range of price points can help you reach different market segments. Effective marketing is essential to building a successful shoe brand. Develop a strong brand identity with a memorable name, logo, and packaging. Use social media to showcase your designs, engage with customers, and promote your products. A professional website with an online store can expand your reach beyond local markets. Once your shoes are ready, it's time to distribute. Start by selling to local retailers, boutiques, and markets. Setting up an online store can help you reach customers across the country and even internationally. Partnering with local distributors can also help you get your products into more stores. The shoe lasting machine is the backbone of any shoemaking operation. It's responsible for giving the shoe its final shape. There are several types of lasting machines, including toe lasting machines, side lasting machines, and heel lasting machines. These machines work by pulling the upper material tightly over the last and securing it to the insole, ensuring a snug and consistent fit. For small-scale operations, a combination lasting machine might be ideal, while larger factories may opt for specialized machines for each part of the shoe. A comparison of different types of industrial sewing machines, such as post-bed, cylinder bed, and flatbed machines, with explanations of their uses. Flatbed sewing machines are the most common and are used for flat seams on the shoe upper. Post-bed sewing machines have a raised sewing area that allows for more precise stitching in hard-to-reach areas like the inside of the shoe. Cylinder bed sewing machines are designed for stitching around curved areas, such as the toe or heel, and are ideal for attaching zippers or sewing tubular items. In-depth look at automatic leather cutting machines, including CNC, computer numerical control, leather cutters, and the skiving process, CNC leather cutting machines. These advanced machines use computer-aided design, CAD software, to cut leather and other materials with incredible accuracy. This technology reduces material waste and ensures each piece is cut exactly to specifications. Skiving machines. Skiving machines are used to thin the edges of the leather or fabric. This process is essential for reducing bulk and ensuring smooth seams, especially in areas where multiple layers are stitched together, like the toe or heel. The sole is the foundation of the shoe, providing support and durability. Sole cutting machines. These machines can be manual or automatic. Automatic sole cutting machines use hydraulic or pneumatic systems to cut the outsole material, typically rubber, EVA, or leather, into the desired shape with precision and speed. Sole pressing machines. Once the outsole and midsole are ready, they must be bonded to the shoe upper. Sole pressing machines apply uniform pressure and heat, activating the adhesive and ensuring a strong bond between the sole and upper. Some machines also incorporate cooling systems to solidify the bond quickly, reducing production time. Edge grinding and buffing machines in action, highlighting their role in finishing the shoe. Edge grinding and buffing machines are essential for giving the shoe a polished, professional finish. Edge grinding machines. These machines smooth out the edges of the sole and upper, creating a uniform look. They're particularly useful for leather shoes, where a clean, sharp edge is a mark of quality. Buffing machines. Buffing machines polish the shoe, enhancing its appearance and giving it a glossy finish. Buffing also helps to remove any imperfections or adhesive marks that might be visible after assembly. Branding is a vital part of your shoemaking business, and embossing and hot stamping machines allow you to add custom logos, patterns, or text to your shoes. Embossing machines. These machines press designs into the leather or fabric, creating a raised effect. It's a great way to add texture and distinguish your products. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out to us through the contact information below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in starting their shoemaking journey. Together, we can create a new generation of successful African entrepreneurs.